Namaste, beloved friends. Welcome back to Beyond Traveling. How are you all? I hope you are all healthy and very good. Today in this video, I am going to teach you a technique called the chair sun salutation. So we are going to practice the sun salutation on the chair. You may heard about the sun salutation. It's very amazing practice. And normally we practice while standing. Many postures are there, we combine, but today I am going to teach you this practice on the chair, because many people they can't practice the sun salutation on the standing, and it's very hard for them. And like the old people, maybe in your family there are people who are above 50 or 60 and who are on the chair and who can't move much, and they want this kind of physical activity but they can't perform it. So this very effective sun salutation, and they can learn out of this, and they can they practice every day, and it gives so much effect in their physical body, in their mental body, in their emotional body, and they can feel really stand and really calmness after practicing this sun salutation. So there are many benefits of the sun salutation. The same benefit we will get from this chair sun salutation. So how to practice it? Just look at me first, and then we will practice. I will tell you each and every posture. Okay, just first observe me how I am doing. Okay, so there are 12 different postures in the sun salutation. We are going to practice each and every one, and this 12 posture combine together and become one round of the sun salutation. Okay, so first we start with the gentle namaskar mudra. Okay, and just I am reminding you before teaching you sun salutation that many people think that sun salutation is kind of some religious practice, that if I am Hindu then I should practice this, and if I am Muslim I don't have to practice it. I am just telling you here that the sun is shining there at the sky, and sun never think that, oh, I should shine on the Hindus only or not on the Muslims. So sun is giving his energy equal to everyone, to all the animal, to all the human beings. For him there is no different, but for humans, for us, there is different. There is different caste, there is different religion, there is different kind of people are there, and we think that this practice is not for us, this practices belong to somebody else. But health is for us. Health we need. If you are Hindu, you need health. If you are Muslim, you need health. If you are a Jain, you need health. If you are Christian, you need health. Health is important for all of us, and for our health we are practicing this sun salutation. And by this sun salutation actually we are thanking, giving the gratefulness, giving the thankfulness to the divine energy, to the sun, to this solar energy. By this sun we are healthy. By this sun we are getting this energy to work, to live, and to do many tasks. So without sun there is nothing, there is no life. So by this practice of sun salutation we are giving our thankfulness, we are giving our gratefulness to the Lord, to this divine energy, to this solar energy. So this is not a religious practice, this is for us, this is for our health. So let's learn without any caste, without any religion, without any thinking about this is practice belong to only one system, only one caste, or only one religion. This practice is for all and everyone. Okay, first is this, we start with this, then we start the first posture going back bend, second forward, third lifting the right leg up, holding the right shin bone and looking up, fifth putting the chin down and try to bring forehead or our chin to the knee, then 6 going back again, 7 forward again, 8 again left leg up now same way, head up, and 9 down, 10 lifting the hands up, then 11 down, 12 again lifting the hands back bend, and 12 coming to the Namaskar Mudra. Okay, so this is the sun salutation. Now I am going to teach with the breathing. So it's important when you practice along with the breathing. So we start with normal breathing here, then inhale back, exhale forward, inhale right leg up, look up, exhale head down, inhale back bend, exhale forward bend, inhale left leg up, exhale head down, inhale back bend, exhale forward bend, inhale back bend, and exhale Namaskar Mudra. So this is with the breathing and with the counting. So remember this, in the beginning you practice 5 rounds only, and you can open your eyes in the beginning, but implement the breathing as you go back, inhale, when you go forward, exhale. Always remember this, and after 2-3 days you can close your eyes and just focus on your practice. Just bring your awareness on your body and breathing. So this will give you more benefit, more health you will get after this, and you will feel really calmness and quietness after this practice. And after this practice of sun salutation, you can just relax for 5 to 10 minutes, or you just go for the meditation on the chair also. You can just sit and just observe whatever happened in your body, and then you can do other things, your daily tasks. So in the morning you can practice it, or in the evening you can practice it, whenever you get free times, and the stomach should be empty, and you can practice it. It's very useful and very amazing practice. You should practice every day. Try to make it in the habit, and it's really helpful if you are old, if you can't perform any physical exercise. So you just sitting on the chair, you can practice it very beautifully, practice of sun salutation. So at last I will give you again one demo on the side way. Okay, Namaskar Mudra. Inhale back, you can practice with me. Exhale forward, inhale right leg up, look up, exhale head down, inhale back bend, exhale forward bend, inhale left leg up, look up, exhale down, inhale back bend, exhale forward bend, inhale back bend, and Namaskar Mudra, exhale. So these 12 postures combining and becoming sun salutation. So this is the whole practice of sun salutation. You can practice and let me know what are the effect you are feeling it. And see you in the next video. Thank you. Love you all. Take care.